Energy Suspension has been making performance polyurethane products for over 40 years. One of those great products is our line of body mount bushings. Today, we are installing a set of our body mount bushings on a Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive 6-lug. Start by locating all of the body mount positions. For this Toyota Tacoma, there should be 3 overall positions, 6 positions when counting both sides. Once you have located the positions, you can start removing the original factory hardware as seen here. Strategically place a 2x4 under the vehicle and utilize jacks to lift up the side of the vehicle you are working on. Doing this will allow you to remove bolts you did not have access to before. Continue to raise the frame to allow yourself access to the bushing. Make sure to monitor everything to make sure you don't raise it too much. Raising it too high could lead to damage to your vehicle. Now that you have proper clearance, you can remove the stock bushings and begin installing your new performance polyurethane bushings and hardware. Make sure to follow the instructions carefully to make sure you assemble the bushings and hardware correctly. Once everything has been put in place, you can begin lowering the body back onto the chassis. From here, you can begin installing the new hardware, but don't tighten it until you have completed the other side. Once both sides have been completed, you can tighten the hardware and torque to factory specs. Here is a side-by-side comparison of the original stock bushings and our performance polyurethane bushings. This is how the polyurethane bushing should look once properly installed.
Same at the back. I would wire brush it first. Wire brush the rust off, put some grease on it, put it back in. And same at the front. We'll wire brush it off. We'll put it back in and you set the whole body down on the frame on the body mounts. Then you put your nuts, washers on the bottom, and tighten them up. Do the same thing. Pretty simple.
Okay. Wait to tighten until both sides are done.
And then torque them down.
Torque them down.